Hi, Stephen Henry here, and we're at day 4 of 72 days building out content using a product that I have built that builds interactive content. They're not like ebooks, they are totally interactive, and I will show you how we build them, and I will show you how we actually build a sales page all in front of us today. Okay, so we are going to be doing an entrepreneurial weekly planner. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using all these are all the categories that we can choose from in front of us here. So we're going to go business and side hustle. Now here we've got different questions. Each of those niches or subjects you want to call them has their own questions. So we're going to actually do people who have tried in there, and we're going to be actually doing a weekly planner. Okay, now we can now choose the color of the product and the product of the sales page we're going to build, and we're going to be using dark and premium for the product and dark and premium for the sales page. See up here? Now we generate the idea, and up to now we have used a Claude API, free Claude API key to produce this, and now we're actually going to go into Claude itself, which is also used a free product if you want to use it. Okay, now what this weekly planner walks through exactly how to relaunch your side hustle with a clear daily structure, accountability prompts, and step-by-step action blocks, so nothing falls between the cracks. All right, and people have tried and failed. It says $17. It's up to you. We can change that later if we want to. And Gumroad and Etsy, well, you can do wherever you want to go to. All right, and here's 6 weeks there. So now we're going to copy the prompt to make it. We've copied the prompt. Come over here, and we're going to go into Claude and paste it. But before we do that, come up here, and we're going to hit a stopwatch so we know how long it takes to make this. In here, and we're going to go create. So what it's going to do, it's now going to go and build this. This could take between 3 and 5 minutes to build. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and come back after it is built. Okay, so we've started again. It's come up, and it took 4 minutes 28 seconds. All right, which is not bad to build a product. Okay, this is the product here. All right, we'll start from the top. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and each day up here, in the morning, I am relaunching, because here my priorities are, and they can actually write things in here, and they can write things in here in the habit tracker, no social media before 10 a.m, drink water, move, you know what I mean? Someone once said to me that when you sit in front of Netflix, you're not making money. And that was probably 15 years ago, or 10, 15 years ago. And I've always remembered when I'm sitting in front of Netflix, I'm not earning any money. So when you're on social media, you're not earning any money. I don't have any social media or anything around me at the moment. Telly's going in the background, but that's different. So it's something there, and I meant complete my main day tasks. I always get in the mornings before I start work in the mornings, give myself certain tasks. And this is my last job of the day, because I wanted to get this done today, and I'm doing it. So this is sort of, I relate to this. All right, now anyway, I've had enough of that. This is a 7-day relaunch planner. You see it down through here. Each day they do things. Day 1, day 6, day 7. And then you can reset it. You can start up here. Now I did put a start date in here. You see June. We're June 12th today. See it start here. So they can actually reset it and go again. So it's written your name. So it's really customized. So anyway, we'll publish it. Go up here. Copy the link. And we will go and publish it. And this is actually what you deliver to your customers. Okay, you deliver this to them, and this is how it works. All right. Well, this will be blank because I did change it for you. The names in here. And there's our 6th day. What went wrong? Pick one revenue stream. Map your offer. Set the platform. Create outreach program. There's still more up here. See. Stage 6, execute, track, and plan. So this is all this is, all right? So, and this is what you deliver to them. You can actually make them as a HTML file and load them onto a proper web page if you want to, and you can even then password protect it if you want anything. Why you would do a HTML file is sometimes if someone's got Claude opened up, it can actually go, oh, they can customize it, but that doesn't really matter anyway. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to actually build out the sales page for this. So I'm going to come back in here. I'm going to copy the prompt. I'm going to come back in Claude, and I'm going to be going new chat. Now, what I tell most people is, before they start this, they should have started a project and then have this as the project, and then they can put for example, the if they have doom scrolling, for example, and they have doom scrolling project, there's the weekly tracker and there's the sales page. So they've always got it in here. You can go into artifacts and it's in here. But the best thing is to have your own project and go from there. But anyway, we didn't do that. So we're going to go into here. We're going to paste the prompt for the website, and we're going to hit go. Then actually we're going to reset that and start that again. All right. So it's going to build. When it's finished building the website, I will come back to you. Okay. It's finished, Lolly. Okay, it's finished. 2 minutes 35. 2 minutes is done. All right. Here is the sales page. All right. So 7-day side hustle to relaunch program. You already know you can do this next 7 days. Now it's $17. We can change that later on. Sounds for me, you've tried that side hustle before. You have limited time. More pain points. More how they can fix it. Execute it. Day 4, set up your platform or sales channel. What people ask before buying. Okay, so that's the sales page. Now, what we do is I teach you how to put a checkout onto this. Whether I use Go High Level as my checkout, but also teach you how a free one, where you can go in and set up a free checkout, and then when they click on that, it goes to it and they buy it, and it gets delivered to them. I also teach you, I will show you how this works here. I'll teach you too how to host this. This sales page I'm about to show you is live. Okay, it's live, it's now live, and it's here. All right, this is on the web, big wide web. But the problem is, someone clicks on this, that thing pops up. Open external link. It's to do with Claude Sandbox. So you really need to host this on HTML site. I actually show you a place where you can do this for free, where you can go in and you can load this up, test it. If you get sales, we will get sales. It's just up to how busy, how energetic you get up to doing this. And then when you get the sales, you can test it, and then later on maybe put it on its own domain or something. I will teach you also how to actually, you can put a video up in here, and if you want to, you can put some more images in here. It's all pretty much done in here. We talk to it and we say, oh, can we please change the price to $27 or change it to $9 or something, and it was all, we talk to it in here and we tell it what to do. All right, so that's pretty much what it is. So that's the whole thing. You can get, so what happens is you create the product. We'll go up, we'll just go back and we'll just reset this, rebuild another, and you get unlimited products. You can do unlimited products. And the only thing controlling you is the Claude with the usage, that type of stuff. But that's, and your API key doesn't cost you much at all, at all to do it. All right. You'll see in my further training, I show how much extra you are spending. I think I spent like $1.50 in 6 months. You will see that. So you can do all these niches here, and then you say fitness and health. It's who wants to get fit, stay at home. So that's pretty much it. So that's today done. All right. So, and in tomorrow's day 5, we're going to be doing 30-day learning challenge. How a 30-day learning challenge builds a habit of growth. That's going to be the one we do tomorrow. All right. So, but today we're done. Give up. Anyway, I will catch you on the inside. Thank you for listening. Thanks. Bye.